Hello, good day, and welcome. I will be answering NECO 2019 Biology Past Question 18. Which of the following is not a method of preventing malaria? A. Breeding mosquitoes. B. Clearing bushes around the house. C. Draining of stagnant water. D. Fumigating the environment. And E. Use of mosquito nets. Now, like we know, malaria is actually caused by the microorganism. It's caused by the microorganism carried by the female Anopheles mosquito. Female Anopheles mosquito. And this microorganism is known as the Plasmodium. So Plasmodium is the microorganism carried by this mosquito, which causes malaria. Now, in order for us to prevent malaria, the best thing to do is to ensure that mosquitoes are eliminated from our environment. So, to eliminate mosquitoes from our environment or surrounding. So, this is the best way to prevent malaria. Now, by eliminating mosquitoes from the environment, we are carrying out all the procedures or processes involved in chasing mosquitoes out of our surroundings. Now, option A says breeding mosquito. Breeding mosquito simply means cultivating mosquito, and cultivating mosquito will not prevent malaria. So breeding of mosquitoes will not prevent malaria because it will only increase its prevalence in our surrounding. Now, option B says clearing bushes around the house. Yes, clearing of bushes around the house will help to prevent malaria. Draining of stagnant water also prevents malaria because draining of stagnant water will help reduce the stay of its eggs on the stagnant water. Also, fumigating the environment kills the mosquito, and use of mosquito nets will tend to prevent mosquito from getting in contact with the skin. So now, breeding mosquito is not a method of preventing malaria.